Why do some people make so much money in the share markets and most others seem to be losing out? Why is it that some people have created careers, lives, bought real estate, cars, become financially free, taken international vacations, all through the profits that they've made at the share markets, while others are just wondering what to do? Which side are you on? Are you investing in the share markets? Are you scared about the share markets? Do you want to get into the share markets? Before you get into any of that, I want to discuss today a very important topic that affects almost everybody who wants to be financially free. Because I believe investing in equities, at least to some extent in your portfolio, is extremely important and necessary to be financially free. So, why is it that most people who actually put their money in the share markets lose their money? Please note what am I saying? People who put their money in the share markets. I'm not saying people who invest in the share markets. What's the difference? Why is it that some people are making money and while others are losing all their money? I'll be answering all of these questions in today's video. Hi, hello, and namaste. I'm Manish Ahuja. I'm founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel dedicated to your financial freedom. Let's see what are the reasons why people are losing so much money in the share markets, and if everybody is losing money, who's making the money? The first reason why most people lose money is that they start too soon. When I say this, I don't mean age wise, I mean understanding wise. If you don't know why are you investing your money in share markets, if you don't know which shares are you supposed to invest in, if you don't know why are you investing in company A and not B, what is the difference between a blue chip or a penny stock, you have no idea where are you putting your money in. Can you imagine walking into a store and just saying, here, take my money and give me a product which I will be happy with, or a product which will give me a lot of value? Does not make sense, right? So why are you just walking into the share market and buying shares just because it's happening on an app on your phone today, or you can just call a broker and tell them, get me shares of XYZ? That's not how it works. You need to understand why are you investing in share markets. You have to have a strategy. You have to do your homework. You have to learn something, and then you have to take responsibility for the money that you're investing in. The second thing is that most people's understanding about the share market is absolutely flawed. They've seen so many movies, they've heard of so many share deals, they've seen so many investors who've made tons of money. So the moment they enter in the share markets, they want to make 5,633% profit in 2 hours, and they want to make so much money, and then they want to swim in a pool of money. That's not how share markets work. Yes, you can make super profits in share markets, but if everybody could make super profits in share markets, people would not do anything else. Investing share markets is all about having a strategy, understanding, doing your studies, paying your financial advisor to teach you about things that you don't know. You have to know why are you investing in a particular share. There are so many people who invest in the share markets based only on tips that they receive. Their uncle is giving them tips, their jijaji is giving them tips, their neighbor is giving them tips. I have actually known of people who bought shares of a particular IPO because their dhobi, the person who actually just washes their clothes in the morning, he was investing in a particular share in an IPO. Don't even get me started about that story. There are people who will actually end up selling their stocks too soon. I will not go too far with this example. This happened in my own house with my wife. My wife has been now investing in the share markets for the last 1.5, 2 years. She invested in this particular company, which has now given her over 100% returns in less than a year and a half. And now, just 2 weeks ago, she was telling me, Manish, I've made enough profit in this particular company. Should I sell these shares? And I was like, why? Why would you want to do that? The idea is that her understanding was, now that she's made enough money with this particular share, why should she risk her capital? I spoke to her, I gave her some perspective. I told her, if you don't have any reason to liquidate or sell the shares, why would you want to sell these shares now? Keep them invested. You know that the company is still going to grow. You understand why have you invested in this company. The growth path of this company is amazing. It is only going to grow with times to come. If my wife did not have somebody who could have made sense about her investment, she would have sold off these shares and eventually lost money, or she would have kept money on the table. So that's why every possible step that you take in the share market is absolutely important. It's literally a game plan. You need to know where to start, you need to know where are you investing, and you need to know when do you want to exit, or how do you get out of the particular investment when it starts going into a loss. What is your stop loss? Where do you stop your greed? You actually have to automate this process. This happens with time, this happens with learning, this happens with effort. Rome wasn't built in a day, and so is the case with your portfolio. It's not going to give you tons of returns in a day. I've been investing in equities for the last 12 years now. One of the biggest reasons why people also lose a lot of money in the share markets is because they don't understand the basic fundamentals. They don't understand the difference between investing versus trading. Yes, in the share markets, there are multiple ways of dabbling with your money. One of those ways is investing, and the second one is trading. You'll be shocked to know that in a particular day, 99% transactions that happen in the stock markets is literally a shock market. The 99% transactions that happen in the stock markets are actually in trading. Only 1% transactions that happen in the stock markets are actually investment based. Traders buy the stock and sell it in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, half a minute, 10 seconds. The difference that they have in this particular trade is what constitutes to their profit. They invest a lot of time, effort, energy, understanding charts, understanding results of the company. It's a completely different ball game. At Paycheck to Profit, we primarily focus on the investing side of it because investments are long term, mid term. You put your money and forget about it for at least 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 50 years, even if you have that sort of money that you would like to invest for a legacy. Investing is long term, trading is completely dynamic. People don't even know the difference between these two. And how will you even know if you don't have a particular group of people who you can talk to, discuss with, learn from each other, learn from each other's mistakes, share your strategy, share your research that you've done. Please learn how to invest in stock markets before you start putting your money in stock markets. Not a day goes by without me seeing an ad either on my Instagram or Facebook with somebody trying to show me charts and WhatsApp screenshots of their clients showing them that they've made 20% returns in 2 days, 30% return in 4 days. I'm not saying these are scams. This is absolutely possible, but trading and investing are two different things. Most of these courses teach you how to trade. Trading takes a completely different mindset. Trading takes a completely different thought process. Almost everybody who puts money in trading loses their money either because of greed, guilt, fear, not understanding the concept completely, getting in trades too soon or getting out too early. It's a completely different ball game. Take your hard-earned money, take responsibility for it, invest it in good places, let it grow with you, for you, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot and you'll make a lot of money in the stock markets provided you do it well. If you have any more questions, head over to my Facebook group. You'll find the link of it in the description below. Ask me questions in the comments. Get in touch with me on social media. I'm always available to answer your questions. Learn, do your bit. Watching this video for over the last 6, 7 minutes, 8 minutes has given you so much more perspective that you need to know. How many of those things would have constituted to you making a loss in the share markets if you did not know what were you doing? Take care of yourself, take care of your money. I'll now see you in the next video. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to like it, share it on social media, share it with those people who keep talking to you about share markets all the time. Ask them how many of these mistakes have they done. If you know about somebody who keeps telling you, यार मुझे share market में बहुत पैसा कमाना है, share market में बहुत पैसा बन सकता है, please share this video with them, save them from making a loss. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones and your money, and stay happy. Kaching.